All right, so ways to say solution in Yoruba. Solution in Yoruba. One, ojutu. Ojutu. Oju itu. Two means to loosen. Two means to untie, right? Two, bami two, right? Oju is high, right? Oju, bí àpẹẹrẹ. Ẹ bá mi wá ojútùú ẹ̀. Let me search for where we can loosen it. Let me search for where we can untie it. Ẹ bá mi wá ojútùú ẹ̀. Let me look for the solution. I want to use this. Mo fẹ́ lò. Anyway, where can I untie it? Oh, ojútùú ẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí. This is the solution. This is how to do it. Àti rí ojútùú ẹ̀, we have found the solution. Báwo la ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ yìí báyìí? How do we go about this matter? How do we go about this matter? You search it. Woo! Nǹkan tá a máa ṣe lélẹ̀. This is what we do. Àti rí ojútùú ẹ̀, then we begin to lay it to the table. This is what we do. 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 Boom! Ojútùú. Ìkejì, another way to say solution is ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ọ̀nà is road. Boom. Ọ̀nà is road. Báyọ, that means, let's say this is road. Let's say this is road. This is road. You have now made the dead end. This is the dead end. This is the problem, right? This is the problem. How do we move? This is the road. How do we go? How do we go? Oh, go this way. This is how to go about it. This is how to go about it. Boom. Otiyo. This one. Eléyìí yọ ju eléyìí. Wá ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ rí. Ọ̀nà àbáyọ rí. The part that you follow, that your head will be above. Will be above, right? To be above, right? So mo ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. That means the way to get out. The way to get out. The way to be above the present circumstances. Mo ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. So you see it. Or àti ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ. We now have it. We now have the solution. Or àti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. We have seen the solution. Àti rí ojútùú ẹ̀. We have seen where we can untie the matter. Or àti ní ojútùú ẹ̀, we have the solution. Right. Another way to say solution in Yoruba is àlùyọ. Lu means to beat, right? Mo fẹ́ lùlù. Right. Àlùyọ. So this is, let's assume that this this is covering this, like it's covering it. All right. Báwo la ṣe máa lu àlùyọ báyìí? How will we get about this? Lu, and be beating it. Boom! Ó ti yọ. You cannot go, right? Ó ti lu àlùyọ. He has found it to the point that he has put people's brain together. How do we get out of this? Oh, boom! Àti lu àlùyọ, because while you are putting your brain, you are like, hey, how do we get out of this? Àti lu àlùyọ. Èèyàn máa lu àlùyọ ni. Èèyàn kì í ní, right? You can ní àlùyọ. You can have it, yeah. But right, why use ni when you can lu, right? Àti lu àlùyọ, ó ti làlùyọ. The last one is àtúnṣe. Ṣé ti rí àtúnṣe? Have you seen the solution? Because the word tún means re in Yoruba. All right, túnṣe, do it again. Túnyẹ̀wò, check it out again. Túngbé, carry it again. Tun, anything tun is tun, like recook, tun say, right? It's like cook it again, right? Atun she, how do we do it again? Which can also mean solution. Ejeka tun she, most of the time can mean to repair, to do it again, but also a solution, right? So ikini first, ojutu, pum, àlùyọ, pum, àbáyọ, pum, àtúnṣe, pum, digidin, didin, chiki, pum,